A dog is not human. It's an animal. Nature doesn't care about them. It's sad but true. We're a dog's only friend.
Hey, Wiener-Dog. She looks like you.
Thanks.
I'm going to Ohio tomorrow. Want to come along?
Okay.
Nana! This is Fantasy.
Hey.
Fantasy is an artist. Nana used to do some painting.
I pose nude and spread my legs.
It's cool.
You need to exercise.
I walk my dog.
Exercise.
I can't. You gotta have a what if.
What if you taught script writing at a film school and had no talent?
Wiener-Dog, Wiener-Dog.
I think it's really great that you got a new dog. What's its name?
Cancer.
Why would you name it that?
It felt right.